potential deal and the announcement between India and Indonesia regarding BrahMos supersonic cruise missile has become talk of the town. It is also because President Subianto of Indonesia is the chief guest for India's Republic Day parade on 26th of January. It is expected that before that, the deal can be announced. However, Defence Ministry has not confirmed or denied the announcement. In fact, the Defence Secretary Rajesh Kumar, while addressing a press conference on Republic Day preparations, took a dig at media reports saying that it seems like media is more aware. Why this deal is important and why it has become a talk of the town? Let's break it. BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile that is a joint venture between Russia and India. It is considered as one of the potent missiles that has got speed and lethality. At this point in time, there are a number of nations who are interested in purchasing BrahMos, and Indonesia is the latest one. In fact, India has recently delivered BrahMos to Philippines, which is also an ASEAN nation. If sources are to be believed, that India and Indonesia have been working on this deal for last so many months. Different sources on multiple occasions have confirmed that there is something in the pipeline. In fact, India is expected to give loan to Indonesia for the same deal. However, nothing has been said on the announcement or on a possible date. This is also a reason why Defence Secretary Rajesh Kumar took a dig at media reports. If it materializes, then Indonesia will become second ASEAN nation to have BrahMos from India. As I mentioned earlier, Philippines already have BrahMos. And while Indonesia will have BrahMos missile from India, it will somewhere give a boost to bilateral relations of India and Indonesia. We know that how China is trying to dominate Indian Ocean region with its constant and increasing presence. And at that very time, India will get another defense partner in the Indian Ocean region. We know that how both the countries have been involved in joint exercises for last so many years. But this would be a big defense deal between India and Indonesia. This time, on Republic Day 2025, Indonesia, and in fact the President of Indonesia, has been invited as chief guest in the Republic Day parade. One contingent, in fact one marching contingent and one band will also be a part of this celebration. And there are expectations that the potential deal can be announced at the very same time. When it is about the Indian Ocean region, so we know that how important it is for India. India is a resident power in the Indian Ocean region, and for last so many years, China is trying to dominate the area. If Indonesia will become a customer of India, it will give a larger message of the capabilities of India. In fact, Indonesia will become a defense partner of India. It is expected that it would be a deal of $450 million that is expected to announce very soon. President of Indonesia is expected to go to Malaysia after the visit to India. And after that, he is also expected in Pakistan. Earlier, he was going directly to Pakistan from India. However, the plan has changed. This time around, BrahMos is one topic that has become a matter of discussion since the chief guest is President Subianto, who is the President of Indonesia.